Removing a processor heatsink. Remove the top cover. Use the key to unlock the node covers and then remove the key. And then turn the node over so that the top side faces up. Press and hold the release button on the top cover and then slide the cover toward the rear of the node to remove it. Remove the PMB air baffle. Pinch the blue touch points on the air baffle and then lift it out of the server. Disengage the riser assembly from the node. Loosen the 2 thumb screws at the front of the riser assembly. Loosen the 3 screws at the sides of the node. Loosen the 3 captive screws on the top of the riser assembly. Lift the riser assembly from the node. Remove the processor air baffle. Gently pinch the air baffle as shown and then lift it out of the server. For the configuration with drive backplanes installed, disconnect the power cable from backplane 1. Disconnect the cables from the system board and then remove the riser assembly from the node. Remove all the memory modules. Carefully open the retaining clip to disengage the memory module. Holding both ends of the memory module, carefully lift it up to remove it from the slot. To remove the processor heatsink, use a Phillips screwdriver to fully loosen the captive screws from the heatsink in the removal sequence shown on the heatsink label. Important: to prevent damage to the processor, make sure to follow the loosening sequence indicated on the heatsink label. Lift the heatsink up evenly to remove it from the node.